So what are we doing today?
Tonight we're making killer cracked salmon muffins, and right now I'm starting to dice up and cube the salmon pieces.
Nice, and we bought wild salmon, not Frankenstein salmon. We bought the wild salmon. There might be some bones in there, but it's worth it. And the color of it is much nicer than farm salmon that looks light pink and kind of just kind of fake basically. This is definitely much better quality salmon right here.
So now we're making the marinade for the killer cracked salmon. I already put the sesame seeds, olive oil, and ginger and garlic in there.
Very nice.
And now we're going to put the roasted sesame oil, rice vinegar, soy sauce, and honey in there. So first,
So what are you doing?
So now we're going to line the muffin pan with things of seaweed. We're gonna put it like that.
All right, what are we doing now?
So now we're going to put a little bit of rice into the seaweed pans, into the seaweed lines. So first, let's wet our fingers. So now we're going to put the salmon bites into the little muffins trays. So you're gonna start.
Very nice.
Try 3. So now we're going to bake the little salmon bites at 400 for 15 minutes.
400 for 15 minutes. Done.
Bam! So now we're making the glaze with ginger, sesame oil, honey, soy sauce, and gochujang sauce.
Nice.
So taking this muffin bites out of the oven. Voila!
Okay.
Okay, so this is it right here.
Very nice. Little muffins, salmon muffins. Good glaze.
See that? Put some chives on there.
Very nice.
Okay, here we go. Ah!
Is it tasty?
Yeah.
Good.